welcome back to Cooking with Coot. How y'all been doing? We've been doing fine around here. The weather's starting to cool off some. It kind of makes us want some things that we like when the weather's cool. And one of those things is cheese biscuits. So I'm going to show you how we make cheese biscuits around here. All right, here we go. All right, so come right over here and we'll take a look at this. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our biscuits made up. Now I've already got 2 other videos about biscuits, so we might fast forward through some of this right here. We'll use our flyer here. What I do is start with 2 cups, and on this sifter here, 2 cups is right here in this middle. Right there's 2 cups. So we'll fill it up to that line right there. Just get us 2 cups. That's how we do about 7 biscuits or so. And then we'll use this here agitator, get it in here, sift it good. Get them lumps and bumps and stuff out of there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get us some of this here Crisco. Well, we're going to use a little more than that. Let's get a little more. Yeah, we're going to need a little more than that. Just about that much right there. And how much is that? I don't know. It's like that. A little bigger than a golf ball, I reckon. A little bigger than a golf ball. That's how we measure stuff around here. All right, so we're just going to lay that in there. While your hands are all gummed up, messy, go ahead and get it on here. Yeah. All right. And we're going to just mash this up down in there. Get it all mashed up. So what you do is you just kind of fill in here, and you want to fill those little crumbles of Crisco. You can use butter too if it's real nice and cold, if you like butter instead. I make me a well like that. Okay, just try not to feed a dog there. He thought he was getting something this morning, didn't he? Yeah. All right. So we just pour some milk in there. We just kind of do it by sight and by eye a little bit. Then I'm going to mix it up. Now, it is better to be a little too dry than it is too wet, because you can always add a little more milk. If it's too dry, you put a little more flour in there. So we're looking for a certain biscuit consistency. So we just keep adding a little and mixing it up till we get it right where we want it. All right, see how it's rolling up a little bit on us there, and it's kind of stiff. All right, and when you put it into a shape, it just barely creeps back down, and that's about as stiff as you want it. All right, so now we're gonna leave that right there. Hey y'all, look at this! Don't you just love that Cooking with Coot bamboo cutting board? One of my fans sent this to me and gave me the idea that I ought to do some products. Now I don't know, we might do that when we get a few more subscribers. Hey, do this while we're thinking about it. Would you do this? Would you click like, subscribe and like, and tell all your friends to go to YouTube Cooking with Coot and do the same thing. And the more we get on here, boys, the more stuff we can do, all right? But that thing is nice right there, ain't it? So we're going to use this cutting board today, and we're going to put it right here. And we got us some cheese here. This is cheddar cheese. This is extra sharp, but you don't have to use that. You can use sharp or mild or whatever you like. We get it kind of sharp here. That's how we like it. We're going to cut it into cubes, all right? So we're going to give it a cut here. We're going to cut this 3 times. All right, so that's 3 biscuits right there. We're going to do that again. And we're going to make 6. We're going to try to. All right. Lay that down if you want. All right. Now we got our stuff just like we want it. Now it's time to start making these biscuits up. I don't roll these out and use a cutter. I just kind of use my hands. This is the old-timey kind of way. Get me some biscuit dough up here and just kind of flatten it out a little bit. Flatten it out. Then I put me a big old glob of cheese in there. Then we come around here like this until we can close that cheese up. See? Woo, don't that look good right there? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Make sure you keep your hands all floured up real good. Right? See how you just hide that cheese in there? Just hide it in there for them people. Give them a good surprise. This is going to be a little thin. If we're going to get 6, we're going to have to make one little thing, kind of judge as you go. Make sure none of them corners are poking out. If you want to squish your cheese up and make it round, you can do that too. I'll show you how you can do that. So you can take your cheese, you can give it a little squish here, like that. It keeps them corners from poking out on you until you get used to doing it. So you can just roll that cheese up, make it round, and it'll make it fit in there really good. I don't do that all the time, but you can take the edges off of it a little bit, all right? Like running that cheese around in your hand, getting it warm and squishing it up, and that'll help take some of them corners and edges off of it, and it'll fit a little better. So I got 2. I'm going to divide this. Woo-wee, I'm just about short. I had one that was really fat. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this one regular, like that. It'll go right around there real nice. Alright, so I don't have enough dough to make a great big one. So what we'll do is we'll take and make us a little, I mean a baby. This is going to be the cute one right here. You know how the rumps are. So now remember, we started with 2 cups of self-rising flour, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 5 is my new number. I just learned that one. I just mostly can't count to 4. We have preheated our oven, all right, to 475. So let's put them in there and let them go. Start checking them about 20 minutes, all right? All right, it's been about 16, 17 minutes, so sometimes these get done fast, so you gotta keep your eyes on them, don't want to burn, but take a look at this right here. Ooh, look at them cheese biscuits right there. Yes, sir. Ooh, look how this one is cracked open right there. See that cheese? It's about to come out of there now, boys. I'm telling you, them things are about perfect. All right, now for the final touch. The final touch. Just give them a bath. Good old bath in this here butter. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Woo-wee, look at them shining. Yes, and look, they not stuck. Look at them. Ooh, they pull right apart. Look at that. Yes, yes. Now, all right, now y'all, take a look at this right here. Let's open him up. See what we got. Ooh, yeah. Let's cut him open. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Look at that. Let's give that a taste and see what we think about that. Ooh, yes, you gotta be careful. That's hot enough to make a preacher cuss. We don't want no preacher cussing around here, you know what I mean? Oh my goodness. That is so good. You go get you some sharp cheddar cheese and you make you some of these cheese biscuits, and your people will love you forever. All right? Well, thank you for coming by and spending some time with me at Uncle Coot Kitchen. I can't wait to see you next time on Tuesday. Don't forget, tell all your friends, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye. But I'm telling you, what I do is I start with... This is where I'm going to fast forward it.
You're not going to use your wooden bowl for this? Do you usually do 2 cups?
I don't know. We're going to have it with a lot of biscuits. I like to make a little well in the middle because that just kind of shows me how much milk I'm getting.
You're just calling it milk, they didn't even know it's buttermilk. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? Try not to be the dog there. He thought he was getting something this morning, didn't he? Yeah. All right. All right, let's start all over that. Let's start that again.
Okay.
Them there.
Them there.
I tell you what I want to do. I want to take my picture first.
Okay, yeah. Oh, let me stop the video.